test drive the 2016 Mazda 6. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, keyless entry, heads-up display, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.